5 things to make yourself a better truck driver this winter. First thing, check the weather. You want to know what snowstorm you're running into, if it's just going to be a light dusting or it's going to be an all-out blizzard. Number 2, make sure that you slow down. Icy roads are terrible and stopping distance is going to be extremely longer than normal, so please just slow down. Stay vigilant. Watch out for those four-wheelers that you know are going to spin out and you're going to cream. All right, just watch out for those guys. Make sure you're well rested. Anytime you get behind that wheel, you should be fully aware and ready to react at a moment's notice. And then make sure your equipment's good. Check your lights, check your tires, do a good pre-trip, save a life today, and that's why you should follow these